All right, like I was saying before, this is your brain. This is what controls everything. It has points. I completely disassembled this and cleaned it, even though it was working fine. So now it's clean and fresh. Took all the carbon off it from the past uses it had. But it's actually a pretty good piece. It was easy to clean. Put your new fan on, or your old fan, clean it up, now it looks new. So I'm going to give you here a little shot of how it runs and the difference in how a fan sounds that's running well. To test these, one of these controls the spark plug, which is that. So the points are hitting so fast that it looks like the light's on consistent, but it's actually flickering. It's just going so fast you can't tell. This one controls the fuel pump, which is going to be that right there. That's going to be your new fuel pump. And it goes clack, 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 clack. And the points in there control it and make it do, I'll get my finger on it, like that, clack, clack, clack. So that's going to be your fuel pump. Fuel pump, spark plug, and then obviously the fan blowing the air across your unit. And that's going to be installed on there next.